Hello friends and felines, and welcome back to my channel, or if you're venturing on my channel for the first time today, hi, hello, and welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave today. Today's video, we're going to be opening an advent calendar. Yes, you heard that right. Advent calendars are coming out earlier and earlier every year. So today we have the FabFitFun advent calendar. Normally I like to hold off as long as possible before opening these up, but this thing is ginormous and it is taking up way too much space in my room. So we're going to open it now. Maybe this won't get uploaded till later. So if you're seeing this video in November or December and my Halloween decor is up, just deal with it. So if you guys are curious on what is in my FabFitFun box, then definitely keep on watching. I need to get new batteries for my camera because I think one of them is shot and it doesn't charge anymore, and then the other one is dead. So we'll see how far we can get before this one dies on me. So before we jump into the FabFitFun box, I actually have an influencer box that I need to open first. This is the first one I've had in a really long time. I haven't seen anything on my app about it yet, so I don't know what's really in here. And yeah, so influencer is something that you can just download for free. You can review products, you can get sent free products and then do reviews on those, post to social media, and then they send you more. But I haven't gotten a box in a really long time because the app was like reformatted and updated, and honestly there's been a lot of glitches since that happened. So I haven't been able to fully complete surveys or all the daily tasks that they want me to do. So I feel like I haven't been getting sent that many boxes because of that. And I have let them know multiple times that I'm not very happy about that. So cracking into the influencer box, we have the hashtag Fresh for Fall box. I feel like I normally get these for the seasons and they're always a random assortment of things. So first one is Sugar in the Raw Cane Sugar. So I've honestly had this before. This is really good for coffee, tea, what have you. It is non-GMO, vegan, and naturally gluten-free, and it says our all-natural golden crystals are grown in the tropics and are never bleached, so they keep the rich flavor and color of their natural molasses. I've had that before and I usually really like it. I think I've had the 0-calorie sweetener, but the cane sugar is just as good. Next is some OxyClean. Obviously I've used this before. It is great at getting stains out and helping to white clothes, but it's also color safe, so I definitely enjoy using that. Next we have something from Dickinson's. I don't know that brand, but it is they're micellar water with witch hazel in it. So I'm curious because hopefully it won't sting my skin. It's powered by 100% natural distilled witch hazel, but it's also alcohol and fragrance free, which I enjoy. So we're definitely gonna have to give that a shot. Definitely like using micellar water as a secondary step to help remove any stubborn makeup, especially around the eyes. And then last and randomly is Playtex Clean Comfort tampons. These are 100% organic cotton, which I appreciate because that's all I'm really using right now. So that means there's no dyes or anything. That stuff, I really noticed a difference in using like organic cotton stuff, even though it's more expensive than using dyes or fragrances or anything like that. And I like to be careful about what is actually going up in my body. So a lot of random products. I will definitely be trying them all out and giving my review. I'll probably be posts on social media like Instagram and TikTok. So make sure you go follow my socials if you want to see my reviews on these products. But let's just go ahead and get into the advent calendar. Okay, so jumping into the advent calendar, there are 12 slots for you to open up, all in here. It's ginormous. I think I paid $89.99 for this. It's supposed to have a value where the MSRP is $297.99 or $298. There is no really information on this, on how much everything is worth. I'm sure you could probably go look it up and actually figure out how much it's worth. But that's a lot of time and effort, and like I said, my camera battery is running low. So we're just gonna start with number one, if I can even fit this onto my desk. Ooh, number one is something from Chic and Tonic. It's a wine tumbler. It includes one wine tumbler and a lid. I love getting these. I just got one for the bachelorette party I was at. Customized with my initial. Ooh, I like this color. So it's kind of like an ombre from dark blue to light blue. You have a sip, no cover on like the little sipping part, and no straw, but I do have some straws I can use. So cool, we're off to a good start. I do love wine tumblers. All right, hi, hello. It is probably 3 hours later. Like I said, my camera battery died. I had to wait for both of them to charge so I could keep filming. So I went for a run. I've gone back into running and it's been great. This was my first run though in 2 weeks because I had to take a week off for when I was in Albany doing training for work, and then I went hiking, then I was recovering from hiking, and then I had a bachelorette weekend. So we're back to running, baby. Started off with 2 miles today. By Saturday we'll be running 7 miles. Alright, so number 2 says clear for takeoff, and it looks like a nice little travel kit that you can put in a bunch of stuff into it. So you can put shampoo, conditioner, hair gel, mouthwash, anything in here. You can put makeup stuff, skincare stuff. So it's got a bunch of different bottles. You even have a spray, and then you have like a little funnel, which is cool to funnel stuff in. So I think I'll definitely keep this because I'm thinking like honeymoon traveling. So that's a great idea for that. Okay, number 3. Ooh, we have more fuzzy socks. I have way too many fuzzy socks. Oh, I think there's some scrunchies in here too. I need to go through my socks and like get rid of like the old ones that aren't so great anymore. But we have 3 pairs of fuzzy socks. They're from Summer and Rose. And then we have 2 hair ties, kind of velvety, a black and a white one. So that's pretty cool. Can never say no to more fuzzy socks. Okay, number 4. Oh, yes, we have another satin pillowcase from Kitsch. This one looks to be like a silver color. The thing is, they only give you 1, and I have 2 pillows, so I at least need to get another one. So I have a pink one. Now I have a silver one, and I have 2 black and 2 brown. So I need to like match up the colors. And I also want to get some for Jim because he said he actually really likes them. So maybe he can use this one and see if he actually likes them. Because I like to have matching bed stuff, which we do not right now. Okay, that was 4. Number 5. Oh, it fell down. That's why I don't like these boxes, because like they have specific components for each number, but they kind of get all shifted around because they aren't actually in their spot. Okay, so something from Nude Sticks. This is the Nudies Matte Luxe All Over Face Blush Color in the shade Rosy Posy. So there we go. Let's just do a quick swatch. Ooh, that's a nice pretty color. Definitely can use that as a blush. And on the other side, we have a brush. Perfect. I'm trying to find more stuff like this for contour, but I've yet to find anything yet or have anything in stock in my shade because I love using the Makeup by Mario one. Right? That's who that is? Yeah. So now we have a blush that's kind of like that as well. Okay, 5, 6 is up here. Again, fell down this little hole. Ooh, we have something from Glossier. I don't have anything from this brand, and I've been wanting to try something. So this is a niacinamide and zinc serum. I'll definitely be using this because I've run out of my niacinamide, and it's great for moisture into the skin. So I'm very excited to try that out. I have not tried anything from Glossier, and they have such a cute aesthetic. I don't really think there's any kind of scent to it, so that's perfect. And they're kind of an expensive brand, I think. Alright, 7, we have something from Aether Beauty, the Big Bang. I think I have a eyeshadow palette from them that was kind of cool, but I've yet to actually use it. So I think this is a mascara. I have way too many mascaras, so maybe I could save this for a Christmas giveaway. I never did a birthday giveaway because I didn't have enough stuff. Let's just take a look at the wand. There's like product all the way up there, but kind of just like a generic bristle tip that comes down to a taper. I will not use that right now in case I decide to give that away. I just don't give it enough like subscription boxes anymore to actually get a bunch of extra product to give back to you guys. So it's kind of like whatever random stuff I don't have. Alright, next we have something from Aciology. This is the Multivitamin Brightening Biodegradable Mask. You have 3 masks that are supposed to illuminate, exfoliate, and strengthen the skin. We love a good face mask. I just did one that I got from my bachelorette party while I was taking a nice recovery bubble bath. The weekend wasn't too bad, but I was a responsible adult drinker, so, but I still think a part of my soul died a little bit. I don't know. I don't want to be like too lame for my bachelorette, but I know people are going to be like making me drink like crazy, and I just don't want to lose any more brain cells, and I've already lost. I want to be able to remember everything like from here on out. So like at my wedding, I don't want to get completely drunk and like black out and forget everything. I want to remember my day. All right, so we are what, on number 9? This is the Beauty Crop in the shade Lychee. It looks to be like a clear lip gloss on one side and then like a lipstick on the other. I don't think this is going to dry down matte, so this might already have kind of a glossy tone to it. But that's the color right there, swatch. Just a nice neutral nude. 10 is down here, and we actually have a giant lotion. This is something from Velvet Luxe, or no, something from Vosh. It's called the Velvet Luxe Vegan Body and Hand Cream with Virgin Olive and Avocado Oil and Tangerine Glow. I don't know if that's like the scent or if it's actually supposed to make you glow. Ooh, it does smell like tangerine. Ooh, that makes me want to like just drink a glass of orange juice. I think I might actually have an orange juice downstairs in the fridge, like a little baby one, so I might drink that because I'm kind of craving some orange juice. Which I forget, that's supposed to mean something like you're deficient, probably like in vitamin D. I'm always deficient in vitamin D, but anywho. Alright, number 11. I'm liking all the stuff in here. Like sometimes these advent calendars can be a flop, but I'm liking this one. My hand is too small to get in this hole. Again, that's what she said. Alright, something from Nature Lab Tokyo. This is the Perfect Repair Treatment Mask, color safe. So I'm guessing this is for your hair. It says a bamboo and keratin fortified deep conditioning treatment for smoother, stronger hair. So yeah, it is for your hair. Ooh, that smells really good too. Apply from ends to scalp and leave on for 3 to 5 minutes. Cool. I like 3 to 5 minutes. I can do 3 to 5 minutes in the shower. When it's like 15-20 minutes, like I'm not staying in the shower that long, especially because our hot water doesn't last that long. Alright, number 12. We knew something was going to come that was going to be like a typical FabFitFun product. So this is the Spongel. This is in the scent Peony Blush, and it's like their sponge, lather, exfoliate, body wash kind of thing. It's very, very springy. Peony, I'm not a big fan of that scent. I feel like this would be good for like spring, not necessarily like a fall, winter advent calendar. So I would definitely put this into a future giveaway. That is this giant box complete. And I like everything, and again, I think I'm keeping everything except maybe the Spongel and then maybe the mascara. But we have 3 makeup items. We have 2, 3 skincare things. We have a hair care, a body care, socks, a wine tumbler, a satin pillowcase. I think that was a pretty good mix. I'm not too upset about that advent calendar. Again, I might get the glossy box one. I have to look online to see if that's available or if it hasn't sold out already. Again, I think the FabFitFun advent calendar is still available for $89.99. If you're a member, maybe, I think. So definitely go check it out if this interested you. I'm guessing it's probably like the same products or maybe similar products in case you guys want to get your own. Well, that is everything for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. While you're at it, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you are notified every time I post a new video. I love you guys, and subscribe to my channel and welcome you to the Feline family. Bye!